Hello, today I will show you how to remove vocals from an audio file and leave only the music. First, I'll play an audio file that includes vocals. Now let's remove the vocals for the audio file. There is a website called vocalremover.org. Here you can upload the file and remove vocals for the audio file. By pressing the Browse My Files button, you can specify the file from which you need to remove the vocals. The selected file is being uploaded and processed. Audio processing may take some time. Then, when the audio processing process is completed, it is possible to listen to the audio file without vocals.